arbitrationagreements.org. Today we dive into an interesting topic, the concept of the left brain versus the right brain. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date about important dispute resolution topics that can impact your life. The human brain is fascinating. Did you know it weighs just about 3 pounds? And yet, within this small mass is an intricate world of neurons and connections that define who we are. Now, you might have heard that people are either left-brained or right-brained. Let us dissect this idea a bit. Starting with the left brain, this hemisphere is often linked with logic, thinking in words, analytics, sequencing, linear thinking, mathematics, and facts. When you solve a math problem or follow a step-by-step procedure, that is the left brain in action. Now, onto the right brain. This is your creative hub. It is associated with feelings, visualizations, imagination, intuition, rhythm, and holistic thinking. So when you are daydreaming, painting, or just feeling the music, give a nod to your right brain. However, did you know that the whole left brain, right brain dominance theory isn't as black and white as it sounds? Yes, while these descriptions do define certain functions that predominantly occur in one hemisphere, it does not mean that one side is more dominant than the other in individuals. Let us sprinkle in some stats. A study found that only 2 to 3% of people could be distinctly classified as left-brained or right-brained. That's a very small number. It means that 97 to 98% of us utilize both sides of our brain, maybe not equally, but certainly in a way that neither side is purely dominant. Another fascinating statistic. Every minute, your brain pumps about 750 milliliters of blood through its vessels. Imagine that. It's like 3 full soda cans of blood circulating in just 60 seconds. Now, why does all this matter? It's because the idea of being a left-brained accountant or a right-brained artist limits us. It boxes us into categories and overlooks the fluidity of our capabilities. By understanding that we have access to both logical and creative faculties, we can harness a broader range of skills and be more well-rounded individuals. So the next time someone tells you, "Oh, I'm just not good at math because I am right-brained," or "I can't draw because I'm left-brained," remember that the brain is a lot more flexible and adaptable than we give it credit for. If you want to learn more information about the left brain versus right brain, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. Also, do you feel you're more left or right brain oriented? Drop a comment below so we know who our audience is. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help your business succeed.